How to fix Lyn for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a sample script file to uninstall Lyn for macOS, #bin/bash. #stop the Lyn app if it's running echo stopping Lyn app osascript #Lyn #remove the Lyn app and its support files echo removing Lyn app and support files. rmrf/application/lyn.app rmrf/library/application/support/lyn rmrf/library/caches/com.lynapp.lyn rmrf/library/preferences/com.lynapp.lyn.plist rmrf/library/save \application/state/com.lynapp.lyn.savedState. Echo Lyn has been uninstalled. To use the script, simply save it as a .sh file on your Mac and run it in the terminal using the command /filename.sh. Please note that this script will remove all traces of Lyn from your Mac, so make sure to back up any important data before running it. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.